Peace family, welcome to our TSD analysis. So let's analyze Nasdaq. So on a weekly, we are on an uptrend. And then let's go to our 4-hour. So on a 4-hour, we have this support area right here, and then we had a huge drop to the downside. So last time I was expecting the market to push to the upside, but that didn't happen. So let's go to the hourly. So on hourly, what I'm going to expect, what I'm going to look out for is a pullback to this zone and then push to the downside. Potential up to there. So that's my analysis for Nasdaq at the moment. And then let's go to GBPJPY. And then on the weekly, let me take this one out, even this one. So on the weekly, we are on an uptrend. And then let's go to our 4-hour. And then let me blow up this so that everything can be clear. So on the 4-hour, I'm seeing this trend right here. This is being my resistance, and then this is being my support area. And then let's go to the hourly. And then let me fix this. Yeah, right here is fine. So what I'm going to look out for is a potential break, and then retest, and then continue up to there. And then if the market decides to sell, then I'm going to expect the break, retest, and then sell. My potential TP is going to be right here. So that's my analysis for GBPJPY. And then let's go to EURJPY. And then for EURJPY, we have this resistance area right here. So if right here we're having, if this is a double top, like something like this, then I'm going to expect the market to sell until here. And market decides to change direction, then I'll expect a break, retest, and then continue potentially up to there. So that's my analysis for EURJPY. And then let's go to gold. So let's go to weekly. Then let me take this one out. And then pull up everything. So on a weekly, we are on an uptrend. And then let's go to our 4-hour. So last time I had this resistance area right there. So let's go to the hourly. So since we broke this resistance area, seems like we're having a retest. I'm going to expect the market to push to the upside and then potentially up to there. And if the market decides to change direction, then come to expect a break, retest, and then up to here. Up to right there. And then let's go to EURUSD. And then on the weekly, so on a weekly for me is we are on an uptrend. Unless if we break this zone right here and then having something like a break retest, then we'll be on a downtrend. We'll be on a downtrend. But if we're still playing around these areas, we're still on an uptrend. And then let's go to our 4-hour. So on our 4-hour, we have this zone right there. And then let's go to the hourly. So as we can see that the market is coming to this zone right here. So, but for now, we're going to watch how the market is going to behave right here. Is it maybe going to give us something like and then push, or is it going to give us something like break, retest, and then continue? We'll just have to watch the market close as it's going to get around these areas. But around here, there's nothing I can do. There's clearly nothing I can do. But we have this. Let me just take this one out. We have this zone right here, this support area. So it might be possible that the market can retest and then push to the downside. So let's go to USDJPY. And then on a weekly, So on a weekly, we are on an uptrend. And then let's go to our 4-hour. So on our 4-hour, we have this zone right there, which is being a resistance, and then finally broke this resistance. So let's go to the hourly. So what I'm going to expect is a retest to this resistance and then continue with the overall trend. And then let's go to the last pair, which is GBPUSD. And then on the weekly, so on the weekly, we are on an uptrend. And then let's go to our 4-hour. So as we are on a 4-hour, currently I don't see anything right here. So let's go to the hourly. So what I'm seeing currently is with this tiny zone right here, which is the market is trying to reject. So around this area, I'm just going to watch and see how the market is going to maybe give us something like this, or maybe change direction. It decides to push to the upside, but I'm just going to watch the market clearly. So that's it for this day analysis. Tap in.